Good evening. Welcome to Breaking News, whereby we report on news which are positive and optimistic, focusing on the brighter side of life. My name is Maurice, and I'll be today's reporter. So today is on 30th of January 2025, and our first news segment will be the World Economic Forum just released its yearly Future of Jobs Report 2025, and this report usually has several benefits, but I'm going to mention two of the top most benefits which it has. One, it's focusing future job trends. It provides valuable insights into the evolving job market, helping individuals and organizations anticipate future skills needs and adapt accordingly. The second benefit is that it identifies emerging roles. So the report highlights new and emerging job roles that are likely to be in high demand in the coming years, guiding career choices and educational pathways. And this year's two main highlights from the report are: one, there will be significant job displacement and creation. The report predicts that about 35 million jobs may be displaced due to technological advancements and economic shifts. It also states that as there are some jobs which may be displaced, there will be 95 new jobs that are expected to emerge, resulting into a net job growth. The second highlight from this year's report is it emphasizes on critical thinking and problem solving. So the report emphasizes the increase of the importance of critical thinking and problem solving and creativity too in the future job market, regardless of the specific role which you are in. The second news segment is on the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin accelerates its slide, falling towards $90,000 to the start week. So Bitcoin briefly dropped below the $90,000 mark on Monday as investors continued to dump growing assets such as crypto and tech stocks. The price of the flagship cryptocurrency was last lower by 2% at $92,567 to the start week, according to the coin metrics. Earlier, it fell as low as $89,000. Next, we have Apple's market share slides in China as iPhone shipment declines. Analysts expect Apple's market share to continue to slide as two of the coming iPhones are so thin that they likely will only support eSIM, which the Chinese market currently do not promote. We move swiftly to oil. So oil jumps on expected hit to China and India's Russian supplies. So oil extends gains for the third session on Monday, with Brent crude rising above $80 a barrel to its highest in more than 4 months, driven by wider US sanctions on Russian oil and the expected effect on exports to top buyers, India and China. So Brent crude futures were up 71 cents or 0.9% to $80 a barrel by 14:24 GMT, after hitting the highest level since August 27 at $81. On to our sports segment. So Chinese Taipei's Garland stands Okutoi to clinch ITF W33 title at Nairobi club. So with the home crowd rallying behind her and playing on her preferred clay surface, Okutoi entered the match as his favorite. However, the 95th minute clash proved to be a tale of missed chances for the African Games champion. Next, on our sports segment. Yesterday, a 10-man Manchester United beat Arsenal on penalties. So United were made to defend their extra time as Arsenal looked for ways to take the lead with their numerical advantage. This means that Arsenal have exited the FA Cup in the third round for the third time in 4 seasons. And that will be the end of today's news segment, which is our first ever episode. So I'd gladly say, as we finalize this segment, ask you to like, subscribe, and also share. so that you don't miss any other future news segments that we have. We'll be doing this on a daily basis in the evenings. And as I sign off, I'd like to tell you that winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Cheers. Let's meet tomorrow.